Lesson 6. Grammar 6.1.
noun으로,
By means of noun. Means of transportation is expressed with the particle
으로, 으로,
is used after a noun ending in a consonant except
리을,
and
로,
is used after a noun ending in a vowel or a consonant.
리을. 학교에 어떻게 와요? 차로 와요. 비행기로, by airplane. 차로, by car. 트럭으로, by truck. 지하철로, by subway.
The particle
으로,
is also used to indicate an instrument by means of which an action is performed.
볼펜으로 써요. 연필로 써요. 영어로, in English. 연필로, with a pencil. 한국말로, in Korean. 볼펜으로, with a pen.
Choose the most appropriate word to fill in the blank. Choose the most appropriate word to fill in the blank.